Good morning, good morning. English, Valentin, English, the best way to learn any language. Today, we have English practice for beginners. So, we're going to start. Let's jump right in. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening, good night, good night. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name's Valentin. What's your name? My name's Robert. What's your name? My name is Johan. What's your name? My name is Jürgen. Where are you from? When somebody asks you, where are you from? You say, Dominican Republic. Where are you from? Panama. Where are you from? From the United States. Where are you from? Germany. Where are you from? Haiti. Where are you from? Ecuador. Where are you from? Guatemala. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you like to talk? Yes, I like to talk. So you say in a positive and negative way. Do you like to talk? Yes, I like to talk. Or you say, no, I don't like to talk. Do you like to dance? Yes, I like to dance. No, I don't like to dance. Do you like to study English? Yes, I like to study English. No, I don't like to study English. Do you like to swim? Yes, I like to swim. No, I don't like to swim. Do you like to eat hamburgers? No, I don't like to eat hamburgers. Or you say, yes, I like to eat hamburgers. Do you like to listen to music? Yes, I like to listen to music, but I don't like to dance. We have to learn combination. I like to listen to music, but I don't like to dance. I like to swim, but I don't like to fish. At the beginning, you start slow, and then you go faster. For example, do you like to talk? Yes, I like to talk, but I don't like to argue. Good morning. Do you like to dance? Yes, I like to dance. Do you like to study? Yes, I like to study. We have to practice every single day. Practice makes progress. For example, if you're going to talk about I like, then you say, I like to talk. I like to dance. I like to study. I like to work. I like to sleep. I like to swim. You say this in a positive and a negative way. I don't like to talk. I don't like to dance. I don't like to study. You take one verb. I like to talk. I like to dance. I like to listen to music. I like to swim. I like to sleep. I like to cook. I like to study English. I like to speak English. You say in a positive way. And then you say in a negative way. For example, I don't like to talk. I don't like to study. I don't like to work. And then you can make questions, interrogative. Do you like to talk? Yes, I like to talk. Do you like to dance? Yes, I like to dance. Okay, that is the lesson number 1. In lesson number 2, what we study, then you say, what do you like? Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Do you like wine? Yes, I like wine. Do you like beer? Yes, I like beer. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Do you like fish? Yes, I like fish. Then you spend the whole day saying, I like tea. I like coffee. I like hot dogs. I like hamburgers. I like meat. I like fish. I like fruit. I like cake. I like ice cream. I like wine. I like beer. That is positive. And then you say, I don't like tea. I don't like wine. I don't like hot dogs. I don't like hamburgers. I don't like fish. I don't like fruit. I don't like hot dogs. I don't like wine. I don't like beer. And then, do you like tea? Yes, I like tea, but I don't like coffee. Do you like hamburgers? Yes, I like hamburgers, but I don't like hot dogs. Do you like meat? Yes, I like meat, but I don't like fish. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream, but I don't like cake. Do you like wine? Yes, I like wine, but I don't like beer. The idea is to practice every single day. If you want to speak a language, what you need to do is to speak it every single day. And do not forget that a language has 4 skills: listening, 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 speaking, listening, speaking, reading, and then writing. And you have to practice every single day. You have to describe everything you do in the morning. And that's what we call the daily routines. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can ask yourself, what do you do every day? I study. What do you do every day? I walk. What do you do every day? I listen to music. What do you do every day? I swim. So the idea is to practice. And then when you practice all this, then you start using all pronouns. For example, you start in positive way. I like to dance. You like to dance. He likes to dance. She likes to dance. We like to dance. You like to dance. They like to dance. For example, that was positive. And then you say negative. I don't like to dance. You don't like to dance. He doesn't like to dance. She doesn't like to dance. We don't like to dance. You don't like to dance. They don't like to dance. And then that's the way we have to practice with lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. And then you try to do all the combinations, like when you use 2 verbs, like for example, you say, I like to walk, but I don't like to run. I like to talk, but I don't like to argue. I like to read, but I don't like to write. I like to eat, but I don't like to cook. I like to listen to music, but I don't like to dance. I like to fish, but I don't like to swim. I like to travel, but I don't like to drive. That's the way we have to practice. If you want to master a language, what you need to do is to practice every single day. Practice makes progress. So keep on learning. Never stop. Never give up. Listen to English every single day. So we have also in our lesson number 4, Mr. Cash, I need money. Oh, you need money. What for? For a house. How much do you need? 100,000 Q. 100,000. What about 1,000? So we have to practice. We have to listen up to the conversation practice and try to read every single day. At the beginning, you read slowly, and then you need to faster you speak, to speak faster and faster and faster. And when you say good morning, it depends also in the attitude. It doesn't matter how many words you know or whatever. What you need to do is when you speak, you have to be sure about your pronunciation, about your conversation. So step by step, then you're going to keep on learning all the time. But do not forget, you have to listen to English every single day. So I hope you like this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and keep on learning. Don't not forget that we have English class from Monday to Friday, 9 o'clock, Dominican Republic time. Thanks for watching. I see you there. Do not forget, Monday to Friday, English Valentine English, the best way to learn any language. I see you there. Bye-bye.